Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to transfer photos, videos and any files from Android phone to a USB pen drive. And over here I have my USB pen drive or a flash drive. And another thing you would need is an adapter that looks just like this. Now this is actually a Type-C to a USB adapter, and I'm going to be leaving a link to this adapter in the description of this video in case you want to get it. Now once you have your USB adapter to a USB-C and then your pen drive or your USB drive, all you just have to do is to connect the pen drive or USB drive to the USB adapter just like so. Make sure it actually fits properly, and then the next thing you want to do is to connect the USB part of the adapter to your Android phone. So I'll just go ahead and connect mine to the Android phone over here. And once you connect it, automatically you should actually get a notification on your Android phone indicating that a USB pen drive or a USB drive has been connected to your device. If your USB drive does not show up on your Android, you can check the description of this video to watch my video on how to fix the problem where your USB pen drive or your USB drive does not show up on your Android phone. But once it shows up, the next thing you want to do is to just go ahead and open up that notification. But if you do not see that notification, you can just proceed to search for the Files app on your phone. It can be called File Manager. In some Android phones it is called Files, so mine is literally over here. It is the File Manager. If you do not find it, you can just come over to the search bar on your Android phone and search for File, and you should be able to find the File Manager apps or File app. Now once it opens up here, you should now be able to find the USB drive or USB pen drive depending on your case. Now what you just want to do in order for you to be able to transfer files from your Android phone to this USB drive is to go over to your internal storage, and over here is my internal storage, and this is actually the USB drive. So I can just go over to images on my internal phone storage, and if I want to move these images or transfer these images into the USB pen drive or USB drive, I'll just go ahead and long press on that particular image. So basically this is the image I want to transfer. I will just long press on it just like so, and then proceed to click on the move option over here. If you do not see the move option, just click on the more option, or you're going to see the three dot icon. Just go ahead and tap on the three dot icon and you should be able to find the move option from over here. But mine is literally over here, so I'll just click on move, and now you can see the USB storage. I can move it into the USB storage and then just click on the check button from over here, and now that particular image has been transferred into my USB pen drive or my USB drive. So you can see the image over here, and I can go ahead and do this for videos on my phone. For any files at all, just go ahead and long press on it, then proceed to move it from your internal storage into the USB drive or the USB pen drive. Now once you're done transferring, you can come over to the top notification center on your phone and then just proceed to eject the USB drive before actually removing it. So click on eject from over here and then remove your USB pen drive or your USB drive. And that will be all on today's video. Please let me know if this tutorial worked out pretty well for you.